Kiss these things. Bye-bye. They're done. They are done because we now have the Ponyo. Instead of me just rambling on about this amazing, amazing sent from the big hair gods product, I'm just going to show you. Okay? Just watch. Super simple, super quick, cute hairstyle. Are you ready? Because I don't think you are. You've never tried. Look at this. Look at this cute pony. Girl, you know you are not getting this cute pony. I don't care how much you tease with a regular hair tie. This is staying in my hair until I am ready to pull it out. It is not going anywhere. It just stays. It's amazing. No creasing. It's possible. There's zero creasing. And there's zero pony headaches. Even in the Kardashians, they got this cute little high pony. Girl, now you do too. Head over to ponyo.com and grab yourself one. You will not regret this. This is the greatest invention